Good morning, Tampa Bay. Today we are in Riverview, Florida. Not doing a normal job we normally do, but I'll show you what we got going on today. We're here to pick up this tree that fell in this gentleman's driveway. We're gonna cut the rest of it. Broke his chainsaw, so we're just here to take the rest of it off. Take it away, load it in our truck, and get out the way. Michael's already starting over there. Like I said, this is not normally what we do, but we can do it. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, you need some brush picked up or a down tree picked up or removed out of your property, or it fell in your driveway or something like that, give us a call at 813-768-8766. I'll post all our information below in the comments, so you can contact us at any time. We get free estimates. We do in-person estimates, or we can do estimates via pictures. We also have pricing on our website, so you can go on our website and check out the pricing. You can also book online. Hope you're having a great day, Tampa Bay. Stay cool. It is hot out today. It is June 28th, 2024. Have a good one.